lot of footage to sort through for a whole lot of nothing.
Truth. There's gonna be a lot of us kicking around.
This is Fred, N2RPG. He won a brand new ICOM 705 by being the first to complete the Hamvention Challenge in 2024. It was sponsored by ICOM, KM4ACK, and Josh, KI6NAZ, from Ham Radio Crash Course. Michael, W2NVP, and I brought Fred out to the Erie Canalway National Heritage Corridor for a Parks on the Air activation with his brand new radio. So we got those, we got positive, negative. So let's make sure the negative goes in here. Okay, that's in there. Okay. All right, positive. Yep, that looks good.
DenCo. So what are they? Are they big deal? Big cheese?
He made it.
Yeah, I made.
You
this.
made that bag.
I made that live on stream.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
So the chances of this thing catching it on fire?
he sells the kits.
So try to change your power mode. You know how to do that yet?
I'm still working on learning how to use the radio, my good man.
Button in the push your multi-button in.
All right, here's a quick look at the setup. This is the TennTennas Mini or QRP 49:1. It's rated for 25 watts. And then this is a 40 meter element, so it's like 65-ish feet going up into the tree. We used throwaway, the Weaver cube to get that up there. And then just a short run of some RG174 going back to the table with the 705.
All right, ready to go, boys?
Are we passing the mic or no?
No, we're just getting you and I can hop on and we can do like stealth activation on 40 real quick, hunt a couple parks if we need to, you know.
All right,
Incognito.
self-spotted. I'm gonna go ahead and call CQ. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is November 2, Romeo Papa Golf calling CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA from Park US 6532. Any station, come back.
Should we post on Twitter?
I can't because I'm using my phone to record a YouTube video.
CQ
Priorities.
POTA, CQ POTA. This is November 2, Romeo Papa Golf. Any station receiving this, please come back for CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA.
What a bunch of amateurs.
Amateurs, yeah.
Were you out of your privileges or were you
just the whole band? It stops at 300, not 200 for voice. My bad.
See how handy the Quirky QRP reference mat is?
It is. Don't put that in the video. I was breaking the rules there.
We've all broke the rules. Well, I haven't, but you have.
Oh, I'm sure you have. And again, you didn't start talking until you were an extra.
Yeah, buddy. All right.
That's how we learn, though. Honestly, like, making mistakes is the best way to
Rookie move,
learn.
too. I even said to myself when I was
you
picking
remember
the band,
yeah.
don't go out of band
Yeah,
privileges.
you remember those things.
Yep.
And, learn. Now, if you want to do FTA, I can get the laptop on, so you can do digital.
I'm not against it,
Okay.
but I'd love to get at least one voice contact.
Yeah.
Somebody forgot to pay the propagation bill.
Yeah.
That's the line right there.
That's the one. Remember last time we came here, Michael, a couple of years ago when I first came up and visited, it was like this too. The bands were dead. And we got ready to pack up, and all of a sudden they just took off.
Standing right in front of the camera.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, sorry.
Gonna have your back while I get my first contact.
Too, okay?
Oh man.
Like check-ins. Taking early check-ins for the YL net. Hi. Just kidding. This is November 2, Mike Alpha Kilo, Parks on the Air, QRZ.
Beautiful.
Check-ins.
Early check-ins.
The net don't start for 3 hours, but we're taking early check-ins. I'll go get
the computer, so we can do some digital.
Then what do we got? We're logging with,
Hammers over here.
all right, there we go. So you got 2 in the log.
2 in the log. Calling CQ. Calling for number 3.
Thank you very much. November 1, Hotel Echo X-ray, QRZ, Papa Yankee 2, Zulu, Zulu.
November 2 RPG.
November station again.
November 2 Romeo Papa Golf.
November 1.
CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. This is November 2 Romeo Papa Golf calling CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA from Park US 6532. Any station QRZ? Ah! Oh. Oh.
Move it, Mike.
Oh, don't move.
I heard it! I heard it! There it is! It's happening! K2ENF! It's Eric.
The one that wanted a ride?
Oh, we're recording this.
We're gonna get him
Can
now.
hear it?
We just go to the next line.
I'm receiving the next line. We'll see what happens.
That's coming in strong.
Yeah, it is. Question is, he's hearing us +1. Hot dog!
Guys, I didn't think you'd get any FT8. I told
Oh,
you.
come on, Michael.
told you all
You see him all mopey and everything.
You got it?
Too. Yeah, I got him.
High five!
Yeah. 2 meter FT8.
Doubter. Fred's calling out on 5.2 FM. We're using the that's the Elk dual band log periodic
CQ POTA, CQ POTA.
on a
CQ
speaker
POTA.
stand with some PVC.
Any station come back. Got you nice and clear over here at the park. This is N2 RPG if you didn't catch my call sign.
Yeah, you're coming through plenty clear. I just turned the radio on. What park are you at?
What's the name of the park here?
Veterans Memorial.
We're at Veterans Memorial Park here in Rochester, New York.
Oh, that's why we're so clear. I'm just off Lehigh Station Road, the next road over from you.
Oh man, we could probably hit you with the little rubber duck maybe.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. That'll do it. Fred did it. He got it done. Fred, N2 RPG, got the park activated with his brand new ICOM 705 that he won at Hamvention.
Yep. It was a bit of a struggle. The 10-meter bands weren't really very open, unfortunately.
No, they were not.
But that's the struggle of being a technician. You've got just a small swath of what's going on, but we were able to work it out. We actually got an FT8 2-meter contact, which was really cool. We got some gentlemen who lived in the very near area. We were able to catch them on the regular calling frequency, and we tried a couple of different antennas. And we had fun with it. I'm glad that we got it open and got the park activated. I want a big shout out to ICOM for sponsoring the event that got me the radio, and the guys KM4ACK and Josh, whose call sign I still can't remember.
KI6NAZ, Ham Radio Crash Course.
Ham Radio Crash Course. Thanks for those guys for running it out, and thanks to Mike and Mike here for putting up with me, because yeah, they know a lot more about this than I do, but we're gonna soak it up as much as we can. So
yeah, and one thing that we know too after several POTA activations is at the end of the day, most of them never go as planned. There's always something that's unexpected. That's part of the joy of operating portable. There's always an opportunity to learn, and like Fred said, he got to try out different modes, different bands, different antennas with the radio, which is a great experience. It's how we learn. Also, we got to field test those power pole Wago connectors, those quick connectors, field connectors, whatever you want to call them, that a handful of people are selling and making right now, and it worked out great. So great test of that in the field. Used the DenCo battery that I built to give you the full 10 whiskey. Lots of fun. So hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like, subscribe to my channel. If you got a comment or question, leave it down below. I'm Mike, N2MAK 73. That'll do it.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
All right. You just look nice.
You just gotta put that in the blooper reel. You just sit there and look pretty.
All right. Ah!
He always does that in his videos. He'll clap and then he'll start or snap. He's doing
All right.
Sorry.